In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do weeks of research in minutes with Perplexity AI, a fantastic tool for business planning. Let's dive in and discover how using this tool can help you streamline your research process effectively and efficiently. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, simply type Perplexity AI into the search bar. This step is straightforward, but it's essential to find the right platform where we are going to carry out our research tasks. After you've entered your search, look for the official Perplexity website in the results and click on it. It'll typically be one of the top results, so it should be easy to find. Once you're on the Perplexity homepage, locate and click on the option labeled Spaces. This feature is where we'll be creating our project, allowing us to organize and manage information effectively. Now, in the Spaces section, you'll see an option to create a new space. Click on that, and let's start building from the ground up. You'll need to think of a name that encapsulates the essence of your project. In our example, we're going to name it Flavor Foundry Restaurant Launch Lab, which is a great way to frame the focus of our business plan. Next, take a moment to craft a description for your space. This provides you with a clear direction and also outlines the goal of your research. It's similar to setting the stage for a performance. A concise and targeted description can guide both your research and execution phases. Now, click on Add Instructions. Here's where you have the chance to specify how you want your information organized, or what aspects are most crucial to your planning process. Make it detailed to ensure that everyone involved understands the objective and the steps involved. With your instructions in place, don't forget to click Save to ensure all the work you've put into setting up your space isn't lost. Saving seals everything you've prepared so far and allows you to proceed to the testing phase. Now, let's put everything into action by creating a prompt. For today's demonstration, we'll ask it to create a business plan outline for a casual Mediterranean restaurant opening in 2025. This prompt will help simulate the kind of research exploration you're looking to conduct. Finally, with your prompt ready, hit the Submit button. This is where you unleash the power of Perplexity AI. Watch as it rapidly sorts through mountains of data to bring you organized, relevant information that would typically take weeks to gather manually. By following these steps, you're not just saving time, you're enhancing the precision and depth of your business planning. Stay tuned for other innovative ways to utilize artificial intelligence in your everyday tasks.